guys, this is how to add hair extensions to a braid. Okay, you begin with a small section like you see there. This is actually the easiest way to do it. So you begin by placing your hair extension over a small section of the hair you intend to braid, and as you go, you make sure with your thumb and index you are grabbing the hair, and see there how I pulled it up. And then you are going to simply repeat the motion between your index and your thumb. Okay, every time you go between your index and your thumb, you're gonna grab a little bit of the person's natural hair or your mannequin, whoever it is you're practicing with. Okay, and as you go, just keep on repeating the motion. There you go. There's a little bit of a close-up action there so you guys could see. So all I'm really doing is securing the hair extension and the natural hair between the rest of my fingers. And I'm using my thumb and my index to hold the hair extension and the natural hair. Okay? As you go, you'll see that you either end up with more hair extension or more natural hair in one side. So as you go along, feel free to split either the natural hair or the hair extension like I just did there. Okay, there you go. I'm splitting that again just to make sure that I have the hair extensions completely distributed. And then I'm gonna repeat this process until I am done. Every time you move down a section, you want to go ahead and make sure you do what I did here. So you see, I'm grabbing a small section of the natural hair with the hair extension, and I'm going to put it between my thumb and my index. And there you go. You go from there. So watch the rest of the video. Please subscribe. Please like it, guys. I'm really trying to build my YouTube channel. And I sincerely love doing hair. I have been doing hair for a long time, but sadly, I became a mother and had to go to go to a place where I could get benefits. So it has been kind of hard. I really miss doing hair. So I'm looking to build this. So hopefully one day I could just take this full time. But hey, I can't dream, right? So please subscribe and like and share. Thank you. Bye-bye.